You guys like this? I like it too. If you've been watching me for a while and these videos, then you know where I got this glass. Alright, welcome back. It's Wine Wednesday. Thank you for coming back. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Chanel. And if you're not new, well, you know I am so happy that you're back to see what's going on this Wine Wednesday. So this Wine Wednesday is going to be like a get ready. It's going to be, I noticed everybody's doing a makeup playtime or playtime makeup. So I guess, you know, I'm playing with makeup today because that's what I'm about to do. That, and I'm going to be answering a few questions. I only have 3 of them. And these questions were asked like a couple weeks ago. And I wrote them down. I just never got to them. So I'm going to answer them right now. But first, we got to talk about what we drank in today. Now, I am so sorry, but I forgot to go get me a bottle of wine. I know it's Wine Wednesday and I forgot. But that's alright. That's right, because we got an adult beverage that I'm going to be drinking right now. I just got to put it all together. So I got my little glass with my ice. Okay. I got my buddy right here. And I got this buddy right here. Okay. We're going to have a little Jack Daniels. Okay. And this is the Tennessee Fire, finely crafted. Oh, it's already been open, okay? That's all I'm going to say. So let me go ahead and do this and I'll be right back. Ooh. Okay, just to let you guys know, if you guys have never tried this Jack Daniels, this one actually tastes like the Red Hots, okay? And me, I hate those little Red Hot candies, but I like it mixing it with my Coke. Doesn't everything just taste better with Coke? I mean Coca-Cola, okay? Don't get it twisted. It makes those little Red Hot candies taste a lot better. What are they called? Red tamales? Red hot? I don't even know what those things were called, but I did not like those candies. But I like this. Ooh. Yeah. You can taste the cinnamon. It's good. Alright. So let's get in with this face. So I have no idea what I want to do, but I am going to be using palettes that are currently in my fall makeup drawer. And here's the correction. Because of another YouTuber, I mean not another YouTuber, because of a subscriber of mine mentioned that I should do my seasonal or my fall makeup drawer every month. I actually think that's a good idea because everyone does it. I was just trying to be different, but you know. And I really thought about it. That's a long time using just those 5 palettes, and I got a drawer full of palettes. So we're going to do it for the month of October. Ooh, it's going down. Real good. So I'm going to be using my Morphe palette. This is the 9C. We're going to be doing her eyes. So as you can see, I have already did my brows. My brows are done. I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids. So I'm going to use my Urban Decay Primer Potion. We're going to see how fast we can do this. 1, 2. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and conceal. Well, not conceal, but add some concealer. And I'm going to use my Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer. And I have the shade Deep Warm, and I'm just going to use that to conceal my lids with my little brush. So next I'm going to go ahead and set my lids. I'm still looking down though, and of course I'm going to use my Beauty Bakery setting flower. And y'all, I had to pull this out. I had to pull that out, okay, because it's like gone, y'all. It's gone. I'm just going to take a little brush. Got my straw, y'all. Got my straw. Alright. Now we're going to jump right into this palette. And I'm going to go ahead and answer the very first question as soon as I get my transition shade down. Which I have no idea what shade that's going to be. I think it's going to be that shade. So the very first question that I want to answer is by, if I don't say any of my subscribers' names correctly, I'm so sorry, but I'll pop their names right over here on the screen. So the first subscriber is from Ruby. She comments on almost every single video I do. And I need to start, you know, I need to start doing some shout outs. That's what I need to do. Some subscriber shout outs. That's what I need to do. Okay, anyways, back to the question. Ooh. Her question was, and she asked me this question about 2-3 weeks ago. I think it was about like 2.5 weeks ago she asked this question. I want to say 2. Okay, I want to say 2. The question was, would I do Tequila Tuesdays? Now, Ruby, you know if I do Tequila Tuesdays, I'm just going to let you know now, it's not going to be every Tuesday. But I'm going to have to involve some tacos in there. I'm just saying. Some tacos with guacamole and some chips. Did I? Guacamole. Girl, you know what I'm talking about. But I'm just saying. That may be possible. I'm not too sure yet. Alright, next you guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. So the next shade, I'm going to find me a packing brush first, you guys. I'm going to go in, you know what, since I cleaned them all, I'm going to go ahead and go in with another one of these brushes because I love these brushes. I'm going to go in with another Juno Co brush. This is the ES06. And I'm going to go in I forgot how beautiful this palette is. You know, because you have so many palettes and then you get stuck on the ones that are on the top of the other palettes. You just forget how much you actually loved all the other ones. Question number 2 is by, right here, asked how the mascara that I hauled for my Beauty for 30 video is. Well, girl, I'm about to tell you. So this is the mascara that she was talking about right here. And this mascara is from Wet n Wild. And it has this freaky looking spoolie, okay? It's like a ball at the end. It's like a really freaky spoolie. Well, you know what? My thoughts on this mascara and the spoolie, I like it. This is a great everyday mascara, which I wear every day. Since I gotten it, I've been wearing it every day. So what, it's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. I really do like this mascara. It's just like, what? Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. And I'm going to prime my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Primer. This is in my everyday makeup drawer, so I'm going to go ahead and use that to prime my face. Then my last question that I received is from this lady right here. Her name is Diane. She asked this question about 2 weeks ago. She asked me about this brush right here, this foundation brush by Juno Co. This is the ES10. I don't know why it says ES10. I thought ES was eyes. Anyways, it's the ES10 flat foundation brush, and honestly I don't like this for foundation. That's all honesty, I do not like this brush for foundation. This brush is soft, it is, but I don't use it for foundation. As you see, I use this brush for my primer. I don't know what it is about this brush. Like all the other brushes I'm fine with. I like all the other brushes. It's just this brush right here. I don't like how it puts my foundation on my face. I don't like how it blends it out. But I'm fine with it for my primer. Totally fine with it with this brush. So the foundation I'm mixing in Maybelline Matte and Poreless in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm going to mix that. I'm just putting this on a foundation brush. I figured I'll use a brush because I haven't been using brushes lately. I just been using sponges. And I'm going to mix it in with the ColourPop foundation in the shade Dark 175. Alright, so next I'm going to go back in with the same concealer. What did I just do with it? Oh, there we go. And I'm going to conceal on my under eye. Yes, I went ahead and put on lashes. No, I do not currently remember what the name of these lashes are called. But I've been wearing them just recently. I'm going back to wearing them. Y'all, I'm like so sad that my beauty bakery is like gone, y'all. It's like gone. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly set underneath here. Alright, you guys, real quick, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to go in with the first two shades and then go underneath my under eye. Break time, break time, break time. Alright, by the way, if you guys like have any questions that you would like to ask me, go ahead and ask me down below in the comment section. So when I decide to do another kind of like Q&A question video, I guess you can kind of call that this, I will make sure I answer your questions. Lately, I have not been setting my face after powder. I don't use sprays or nothing like that. Lately, I have not been doing that. So overall, I am done with my face. I am done. I'm going to go ahead and do my lip color, and I'm actually ready to go. I'm actually going to be using the lip shade that came in my BoxyCharm, but it's the Lorac Pro. What are you? Their matte lip color in the shade Cabernet. Wait, y'all, I forgot. Y'all didn't tell me. I didn't put no blush on. Nothing. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this blush right here from Note Cosmetics. This is in the shade Superstar. I mean, not Superstar, my bad. Star Copper. What is wrong with me? I don't know. There we go. Because, you know, I'm looking kind of flat, y'all. Looking kind of flat. So, I'm going to go back in with Note Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with their terracotta powder 03 and the shade Caramel Cake. Alright, beautiful, so that is the end of this makeup look. As you can see, I almost forgot my blush and my highlight, and I added a little bit of that highlight to the middle of my inner corner. So yeah, this is the end of this makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed this Q&A tutorial type video. Not really a tutorial, it's more like a get ready with me where I just got ready and I was talking to you at the same time. So it's like more like a chit chat video. Yes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this Wine Wednesday. Even though there was no wine involved, it was more like liquor. Liquor was involved. Very heavily. Very heavily. Liquor was involved. Alright. I'll make me another glass off camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm happy that I was finally able to answer you guys' questions. I actually wanted to answer the questions like as soon as you guys asked the question, but I was like, no, I'm gonna wait it out a little bit. I want to answer it on a video. Then I got another question. I was like, okay, alright, I see where this is going. So I wrote the questions down, but then I lost the paper. And then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go back online and I'm gonna find the questions. So I found the questions, wrote them out. Whew. Girl, I probably should not be making this video right now, but it's too late. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. If I can get a good picture with my current situation right now, I will make sure I post the picture on IG and Twitter. So make sure you're looking out for the picture on there. Because right now, I don't know, the picture came out cute. But my eye look is the bomb. So I need to get off of here and calm myself down some. Because I got to film another video about budgets for my other channel. So if you haven't checked out my other channel, the link for my other channel is down below in the description box. But that video may not get filmed today. I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and always remember to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye! Whoa, I need to calm down, but I need some brownies. I'm gonna go get me a brownie.